magkasay kami. Kala ko na-scam ako sa egg. 10 lang yung hinigay ko. Ito, di pala ako na-scam. Tinalaan. Ano yung address? So, she is kind of girl. Let's box. Let's open where? Let's open here. I don't have a nails. What? Wait. Okay. I think it's Chinese. So cute the dinosaur. And it's so cute. So I will do it again if I go to the grocery again. I will get my money to 10 again for this egg. But I don't like scam more. Bye-bye, guys. This is so fast because this is the egg. Sorry, next time I will slow down. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.